How to network like a pro in real estate. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys on how to build great relationships with your buyers and sellers so that relationship would lead into a sale. You see, most agents have it opposite. They want to make the sale first and then build the relationship. The way I've built my business, all through free social media organic strategies and relationship building, that has helped me serve over 250 buyers and sellers, over $65 million in real estate in the 5 years that I've been in business. How did I do that? I focused on the relationship first, and then the sale came. And even if the sale didn't come, at least I built a relationship, I added value, and I could potentially do business with them in the future or get a referral from them. And that's the nature of this business. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you my top strategies that I have used to sell that much real estate from free organic social media strategies that I use to attract these clients. But once I attract them, I need to obviously convert them. How do I convert them? I build a relationship. How do I build a relationship? Let's go ahead and get to it. The first thing you want to do is get them to know you. How do you do that? By posting yourself on social media, branding yourself, putting yourself out there as the marketed, as the trusted advisor who's going to consult your agents to make the best decision through social media platforms. Now they know you. How do you get them to like you and trust you? Once you get in contact with them based off however they reach out to you, you reach out to them through social media. That's how I built my business. That's how I can share with you guys. I know there's many ways, but this is what I'm going to go over. You want to start to ask them questions. And this is the best script I've used all the time because why? It shows that you care. And once you show that you care, you're starting to build the rapport. You're going to start to build trust. So I literally go into every buyer or seller's meeting after they know me saying, hey, I'm going to ask you a series of questions. So the more I know, the better I can help you. If someone said that to me, I'd say, wow, this guy's going to ask me questions rather than me being an order taker, just getting me, getting my house listed or finding me a home for sale. He wants to really know my situation. So that way he can analyze it and he can advise accordingly and consult and create a game plan and strategy on how I can best serve that person. And in that client's mind, they're thinking, wow, this is great. This guy actually cares, which leads to them trusting you. And once they trust you, you have built and formed that relationship that will now lead to a sale. So again, just to recap, you want to get them to know you through social media. Once you guys get into a conversation or meeting, you want to show them that you care by asking questions. Once you start asking questions, that shows that client that you care, which builds the trust automatically. And along with literally telling the clients, the more I know, the better I can help you. That literally is what I say to the clients. And that builds trust. And I literally tell them that, hey, I want to help you. I'm here to help you. I'm not here to just make a sale. I'm here to build a long-term relationship because I know the better I take care of you, the better you'll take care of me. And it's a win-win for everybody. So that way, if you, Mr. Client, ever need to buy or sell again, you know you never have to look for a real estate agent again because you know you got someone on your side who is going to do my best and did my best for you. So that way, you don't have to look for another agent again. And if you ever have family or friends that you care about, that you want to be in good hands, you know who you could refer them to. And who doesn't want to work with someone who's referred by someone who's done business with them? So with that being said, those are the top items. I'm getting to know you, you showing them that you care, and that's what builds the trust, which will lead to converting the sale. And of course, a few basic items that a lot of people kind of forget about is being positive, having a good vibrational energy that you're putting out there to that client to make them feel welcome and comfortable with you, which would build more trust and credibility, which will lead to more than likely a relationship, which will lead to the sale. So by being positive, being happy, don't talk about what bad has happened on the last showing or the last appointment or something going wrong at home or work or health. No one really wants to hear that yet. Yeah, you could share these things with your clients because your clients will eventually become your friends, but you want to leave business for business, personal for personal. There's a right and wrong place for everything. But my point is, be positive, give off good energy, be happy, talk about good things, not all the million things going wrong in the world, and of course, smile. Smile. Smiling just shows you're happy. Even though it's a really fake smile, it's hard for me to fakely smile, even though I'm happy right now. But I'm sharing good, valuable information. I get into it. I'm passionate. I'm serious because I really want to help you guys grow your business the same way I grew mine. So positivity, happiness, smile, help people. Even if that client doesn't sign a listing agreement with you or a buyer's agency agreement with you, or even whatever the case may be, just help them. Answer their questions. Add value. Give them tips, even if they haven't bought or sold or potentially don't intend to buy or sell. Why? Because they're always going to remember that. They're going to remember that you helped them out when you didn't have to, when you didn't make $1 off them, and that you genuinely cared and you just wanted to help them by adding value. They're never going to forget that because most agents are not doing that. Most agents are going straight for the sale. They just want to show them a home, sell them the home, and list their home and call it a day, which technically we're not selling homes, whether on the buy side or listing side. We're earning relationships, and that relationship is going to generate us the buy or the sell side. Without them knowing us, liking us, or trusting us, I don't care how good or bad your scripts and objections are, they're not going to do business with you because that's truly what the client is looking for. Always put yourself in that position of you buying a home or selling a home, and how would you choose your agent? What are you looking for? And that will answer your question. So I hope you guys found this video helpful on how to network like a real estate pro by building great relationships. If you guys did, I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribed below, liked this video, commented, hit the bell icon below. I know I'm throwing a lot at you guys. Do one or the other. The main thing, subscribe. That would be awesome. But other than that, my name is Daniel Salmo. If there's anything I can help you guys with, my contact information is below. You can reach out to me many ways, and I'll see you guys on the next video.